Hello kids! Let's learn about shapes. Come, let's have fun! Learning shapes. What shape is this? Circle. Can you spell it out? C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. What shape is this? Star. Can you spell it out? S-T-A-R. Star. What shape is this? Rectangle. Can you spell it out? R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. What shape is this? Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. What shape is this? Diamond. Let's spell it out. D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Diamond. What shape is this? Oval. Let's spell it out. O-V-A-L. Oval. Let's say it together. Circle, star, rectangle, triangle, diamond, oval.
You sing it, hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mama, we're gonna be